Before we walk into the home or residence or building or office of any occupants, we'd like to actually make sure we turn on, by pressing the little green button, the gas leak detector outside. It gives it about 30 to 40 seconds to calibrate itself and the sensor to warm up before we actually start making any type of gas leak measurements. So after the Auto Zero is complete on the $78.99 gas leak detector, it's ready to test. So right now we're going to try on a few different applications around this home and see if we get any gas leaks. The first thing we're going to test for is on the natural gas water heater. So we want to test the line. I would test any valves, fittings, connections, anything of this nature to make sure that there's no leaks at all coming from the gas lines. So carefully go around any fittings, connections. Nothing here. After the Auto Zero is complete on the mini gas leak detector, it's going to continue beeping like this, just letting you know it's ready to test. So don't let that alarm you. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and test these supply gas lines coming into the home. So we're looking good here. Actually going to test the incoming gas line and the manifold for this 80% natural gas fired furnace. So any connections made, at all, any turns, any potential breaks in a seal, anything that there could be a potential leak, especially around fittings and valves and all types of things, we definitely want to make sure to measure around to make sure there are no leaks at all. And this goes the same with natural gas, propane, butane, methane. The nice part of the $78.99, it's a total combustible leak detector, so anything combustible it will actually pick up. So no leaks on the furnace. Another important source of gas in a home is the stove itself. So we want to make sure that with everything off, there's no leaks to the stove at all. But once we turn it on, you'll notice it picks it up immediately. Obviously, we don't want to forget about behind the stove itself. We're good. One very important gas leak test to take is through the main gas source coming into the home. So you want to make sure that you use the leak detector in any way possible to make sure we don't have any potential leaks, not just in the home, but outside at the main fuel source. Looks like we're good. One test that a lot of people forget about is your own barbecue. Because you have a propane tank, the combustible leak detector will actually detect any type of leaks coming from the propane tank because it's combustible. So we want to go around here and make sure there's no leaks. That's going to surprise us at our next barbecue.